Dear traders, in this video I'm going to explain you about the best IQ option strategy of 2023 with the moving average strategy, and I will also explain you the binary option trading strategy. This strategy can not only be used in the Forex but also for crypto and stock market. Here I will explain you with the combination of three indicators how you would be able to make the right entry into the market for the buy or sell signals. Okay, here I want to tell you that which broker I'm using for my trading, that is Exness. If you want to open your account with Exness, you can have the 5 options of accounts. Among them, there are 2 standard accounts, standard and standard cent, and there are 3 professional accounts, raw spread, zero and pro account. If you're interested to open your account with them, you can get the link in the description of my video, as they are trustworthy and they are giving you maximum profit for your each trade by taking very less commission or no commission at all. So if you're interested to open your account with Exness, you can get the link in the description of my video. Let's move towards the strategy. Here I have to use the gold chart. From here I have to select gold. You can choose any other chart, it's up to you. And now I have chosen 30 minutes time frame. It's up to you. You have to choose 1 minute till 30 minutes. So let's suppose if I have taken 30 minutes time frame, so I will be using it in my strategy for using this as best IQ option strategy of 2023. Here the indicators I am using, the first indicator is the third wave indicator. Third wave indicator is by Lonesom. 6,620 traders are using this indicator, so I have to use this indicator in my trading. Here I have to go into the settings tab and I will use only change zigzag period from 8 to 14, right? There won't be any other change. So click on OK, and here you have got this strategy in this way. Okay, it's in front of you. Now we are going to add the second indicator, and that is effort EMA wave, and grab candles by Just Uncle, and you have to simply click on it. It will be applied on your chart. The last and final indicator that we are going to use from here, that is the effort versus results explorer, that is by Red K Trader. 2,308 traders are using this indicator. So simply click on it. It will be applied on your chart. Here, as you can see, that our trading tools have been applied, and now our chart is looking like this, as it is in front of you. Okay, so let's suppose here this is the signal that I want to show you, that when to take a long trade and when to take a short trade. Here this is an example of a short trade. What you have to look for this all, first of all, your third wave indicator has to give you a sell signal, right? The second thing that you have to look, that your market should be below these two EMAs. The third thing that you have to look is that your market, these Red K Forex, these two lines should be below this baseline, that is the zero level line. So when these all three conditions will be fulfilled, it means that you are in the bearish pattern. So you have to enter into the market with the confidence that you have taken the right entry, and now you have to take the profit according to your trade that you have taken. For example, if you have taken the trade from here, then your market will be giving you the signals and profit till here, because this is totally a downtrend. Don't take it as up and down, but it's a downtrend. Okay, when we see that when to take a long trade, always remember that first of all, your third wave indicator has to give you buy signal. The second thing that you have to look, that your market should be above these EMAs. Okay, the third thing that you have to look, that this Red K Forex, these lines should be above the baseline. When these all three conditions are fulfilled, then you have to take the entry into the market for the bullish signal, and this is how you will take the maximum profit. Okay, when you will take this profit, when you will have this trade, and you will take the right entry and you will earn the profit. For example, if you have taken the entry from here until here, you have taken the profit. Afterwards, you have to look for the second trade that will give you the maximum profit related to your own entry. As you can see here, again, the third wave indicator has given you the signal for the sell, and here you have to see that your market has moved down to these EMAs. Then afterwards you have seen that your market, the third indicator, that is a red Forex indicator, this has also shown you the lines are going below this zero level line or baseline. Then all three conditions are met. From here till here you have earned the maximum profit, and continuously you are taking the profit from here till here even. So this is a simple strategy with you can see the very unique indicators that I have shared with you today. And I hope that you like this strategy as well, and you will use it for your own trading, as I have been using this strategy in my own trading, for my own trading, and I am earning the profit. So do use it for your own trading, and good luck from my side. Thank you for watching it.